Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to iron knit fabric. First, always check the garment's care label for specific instructions regarding temperature and whether ironing is recommended. A clean iron is essential to prevent stains, so wipe the sole plate if needed. Prepare your ironing board with a smooth, padded cover. Finally, turn your knit garment inside out. This protects the outer surface from shine and direct heat, preserving its texture and color. When ironing knit fabric, a pressing cloth is your best friend. It acts as a barrier, preventing scorching and shine. Set your iron to a low or medium temperature, never too hot, to avoid damaging delicate fibers. Instead of sliding the iron back and forth, use a gentle lift-hand press motion. This technique helps maintain the fabric's shape and prevent stretching or distorting the knit stitches, ensuring a smooth finish. For stubborn wrinkles, steam is incredibly effective. You can use your iron's steam setting, holding the iron about 1/2 inch above the fabric, allowing the steam to penetrate. As you apply steam, gently pull the fabric taut with your free hand to help smooth out creases. Be careful not to oversteam, as excessive moisture can stretch the knit or leave it damp, which might lead to new wrinkles as it dries. After ironing, let your knit garment cool down completely on a flat surface for at least 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the fibers to set in their new, smooth shape. Knits are best stored folded rather than hung, as hanging can cause stretching and distortion, especially at the shoulders. Keep your freshly ironed knits in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their quality and prevent new wrinkles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.